Hi guys, Steph here. Right, I was rummaged through my stock the other day looking for a pen or for somebody, and I came across this one, and I thought, well, it's well worth a review. It comes in this lovely leather case, and you can see there what we've got for you here is a nice cross fountain pen. Okay, so let's take it out of the leather case. You can see it's got a little sort of magnetic latch to it there. And here's the pen in question. As I said, I saw it, I've just given it a clean up, and it's well worth a review because, in my opinion, these are absolutely lovely fountain pens. Quality made, robust, excellent fountain pens. Now, in my opinion, the cross pens are very, very much underrated pens. Okay, yes, the majority of them were mainly sort of metal pens with different patterns, designs, etc. Some of them, as in this particular case, are what we term as got this lovely lacquer to the pens. But yeah, in my opinion, they're very, very much underrated. I think they're absolutely great pens. In fact, I do have an old cross pen and I think it's a pen and pencil set in green bark pattern in my own collection. It's rather a sought after model, but I thought, yep, let's do a little review on this one because it's well worth it. As we've just mentioned, comes in this gorgeous black lacquered finish. To the end of the barrel, you can see it's got this sort of gold button to the end there. If we go up to the cap, we've got quite a narrow sort of cap band, as you can see there. To the very top, we've got this cross clip, which is quite elongated, and to the center you can see it's got this sort of black sort of stripe to the center. Very nice indeed. To the side there, it's got the word cross. I don't think it has anything on the other side, no. So we've got the cross to the clip there, and to the very top we've got again this sort of button or finial to the very top of the cap, as you can see there. Now this model is the cross signature from the signature range. I believe they may have brought them in different colours. I believe there's a burgundy one. This one's obviously the black lacquered. There was also a gold electroplated version, which I actually did a review quite a number of years ago. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link to the top there at the end of the video. You can have a look at that one, which is also a very nice, attractive pen. The size of this one, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, excuse me, oh dear, blow my neck, nearly choking there. So, as we've just said, from the top of the cap to the end of the barrel, 143 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 10 millimeters in diameter. So it's a nice size long pen, quite slim, but yeah, a no-nonsense fountain pen. Yes, it's made of metal. Lovely weight to it as well. I quite like the weighty pens myself. So it's got a friction fit cap. So let's remove the cap for you there. Let's show you the pen in a couple of different angles, as you can see there. I think it's a really, really attractive pen. And in some cases, yeah, as good quality. There was a lot of sort of Waterman pens that were also made of metal and lacquer, etc. And this one, in my opinion, just as good as any Waterman, you know, of the period. And when I say period, I'm dating it sort of, I don't know, around about the 1990s. Now, if we unscrew the barrel, it's a cartridge converter, as you can see there. Comes with the cross converter, as you can see, it says cross there. So it's got the converter fitted to it. Then let's go to this section. You can see it's got this sort of ribbing to the section, which gives it a very nice feel and a nice grip to it. And then to the very top of the section, we've got this sort of gold band towards the nib. And then we've got this very nice, attractive nib. Look at that beauty. Okay, now the imprint on the nib reads cross. It's got 18 carat 750. It's got the AT, well, for the AT cross logo, and then to the very bottom it's got the letter F for fine. So it's a fine nib, and you can see to the sides there it's got this lovely pattern to the sides. A very nice nib indeed. Now, one of the things about this particular range of pens, I believe the nibs may have actually been made by Pelican. So it may actually be a Pelican nib. It wouldn't surprise me because, as you can quite rightly see, it's a very nice quality nib. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath. It's got this quite unusual feed. It's got a little bit of a recess to the centre there, as you can see. But all in all, as I've said, a beautiful, beautiful nib. Very, very nice. Now, because it's actually, well, it's fully cleaned, whether it's been used or not, I do not know. There's no remnants of ink, any sites of ink. But what we'll do a dip test, because I know you people like to see these pens writing. But I'm not going to fill it, because what we're going to do is try and find a new home for the pen, and the new owner can fill it with his favourite or her favourite ink. So what we've got is a cross, is it signature from circa 1990s, and I believe these pens were made in the USA, and to be a little bit more precise, I believe they were made in Rhode Island, USA. But the nib, very nice. It's a very nice writer. There's no flexibility. It's quite a stiff nib. But as you can see, writing with, as it says on the nib, it's writing with a fine line. Very nice writer indeed, lovely and smooth, which, yeah, if it is a Pelican nib, then that's quite understandable. Okay, so what we'll do, let's just give the nib a little bit of a wipe. We'll clean that after the video, because, yeah, what we'll do, let's try and find a new home for it. I know there's people out there that collect these gorgeous cross pens, but as I said earlier, I found it. I thought, right, let's review that one, because it's a lovely, lovely pen. So there we have it, a cross signature fountain pen, made by AT Cross. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this gorgeous pen. Bye-bye for now.